Hello everybody, Dr. Marcello Vegetti here from Dubai, coming originally from Chicago. We successfully finished another level 1 and level 2, and I'd like to invite everybody to be part of these magnificent courses. Level 2 consists of 5 days now, and these 5 intense days will get you through a tour through cosmetic dermatology. We describe dark eyes, acne, hyperpigmentations, hair regrow, and many more topics. Next level of skin conditioning, the next level of deep chemical peels, followed by Botox, advanced levels of Botox for the middle and the lower face. And also we are going to get the fillers for the upper level, where we inject the middle and the lower face. Mesotherapy is one of the big topics that we had been practicing from the time that we learned in France like 30 years ago, and everything that is updated and the evolution of cosmetic and aesthetic medicine bring us to the cutting edge of research. I'm doing research myself for 40 years, and I will be more than glad to share all my experience with you. We hope you just get the opportunity to join us in the following courses, and good luck.